Hello, Mr. Fish. You asked me to make a video, a short one for you, so you can help me and give me some info that I need. Also, the things that I need to buy from you. So, at the moment, there are 5 tanks. Okay. This is the first one. The water supply will be from that side to one whole pipe will go all the way through, and for each tank there will be 2 water supplies, 2 inches or 3 inches, and the drainage is right here, and the same thing will go for the rest of them. Okay, so there will be one drainage pipe also about 3 inches. The dimension is, here is 3 meters by 7 meters each tank, and the height of it about 1.4 meters. Okay, the flooring is not done yet. It's going to be sloped about 15 centimeters from that side all the way down. I know maybe you will think that this is the drainage hole here is high, and how are the fish waste is gonna come out. I have an idea that the pipe will, there will be an elbow there, 90 degrees, going down all the way. Then I will run a pipe from the end, from the beginning till the end of the tank, and there will be holes all over, or cuts all over it, so it will help with the suction of the waste. Okay, the place can take up to 12 tanks with the same dimensions. Right now I have only 5 that I'm gonna start with, because I'm still a beginner, so I want to know if I'm gonna be doing good or not, and to learn. Then I will build the same thing from the other side, from this side in here, and there will be about 1 meter to 1.2 meters a walkway. I'm planning to add the filter that I was telling you about, build one right here on this section. I'm not really sure about the dimensional of it, but I was thinking I should make it like maybe 2 meters by 2.5 by 1.5. I hope this video is gonna cover. Okay, here are 2 supports. I think you have noticed them already. To support the walls, there are 2 here and 2 from the other side there, and that's pretty much everything. Okay, so on this side in here there are 3 fans, about one I'm not really sure, maybe about 1 square meter. And the place is, I'm using this kind of local, I don't know what do you really call it, for isolation, and also some other nylon things, just to maintain the temperature. On the other side there will be the cooling pads, because our summer here is really hot. Here's the drainage. That will be, of course, after the pipe is installed, it will be all closed. Okay, so I hope this video is going to help you to know what I might need, and yeah, thank you very much for your help, and hope to make good business with you. Thank you. Bye.